is a day that I've waited for, patiently, painfully out the door. But I'm here now and I can't wait for the first drop. All I have is a time and I won't stop. Staring, the clouds are bearing all the weight of the ocean bottom tearing. And I'm very aware that I stand alone, and I can't compare when I feel at home. And time again, I'ma rewind as I define the wind. New rain, my face, this place is perfect. All in all, it's all been worth it.
I prefer not to sleep in when the sun won't